Namaste students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University Jaipur. Welcome to my digital session, Huckle's Roles. Student, today now we discuss Huckle's roles in aromatic compounds. So aromaticity and the Huckle's rule, and that is the 4n plus 2 pi rules. So Huckle's rules is equal to what is and they are discovered by the Eric Huckles in 1931. So it states the cyclic planar system and monocyclic conjugated system, which is the total number of 2n plus 2 pi electrons, where are n is equal to integer n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 are aromatic compounds. 2n plus 2 pi electrons in Huckel's rules of aromatic compounds. So the benzenes in the 6 pi electrons, 2n plus 2 is equal to 6, this n is equal to 1. It is the aromatics, and it is the stable, and the electrons are delocalized. So the aromatic compound aromaticity is equal to cyclic systems and planar systems, and bond are delocalization and follow of Huckel rules, 4n plus 2 pi electron systems. So 4n plus 2 pi electrons are 6. So this benzene is the stable and bond are delocalization. So benzene is a aromatic compound. So it is the aromatic compound and stable, and electrons are delocalized. So benzenes are 3 double bonds are delocalized. So 6 pi electrons of benzenes represent in follow of alkyl rules is aromatic compounds. Students, compound which have 4 and pi electrons are not aromatic compounds, may be anti-aromatic compounds. Anti-aromatic compounds are defined as a planar, cyclic conjugated systems, and molecules with 4 and pi electrons are anti-aromatic compounds. So they are much less stable than expected. They will be distorted out of the plane, and we have like ordinary alkanes. So cyclotetradienes and cyclooctatetraene represent is anti-aromatic compounds, and this is the cyclic system, and for the conjugation of delocalization of bond, and cyclic conjugation system, and 4 and plus 4 and pi electron are delocalized in a cyclobutadienes, and cyclooctatetraenes is a 8 pi electron are delocalized. So which is the above is it is a anti-aromatic system, anti-aromatic compounds. Next examples are cyclobutadienes. Students, say cyclobutadiene, it is the 4 pi electron are delocalized, 4 pi electrons are present. So 4n plus 2 pi is equal to 4. Thus n is equal to 1 by 2, not a integers. So it is the anti-aromatic. So the pi electrons are localized into 2 double bonded. Okay, so examples are given below. So cyclobutadienes are 2 double bond for pi electrons and localized of electrons. Okay, next example are cyclobutadienes. Cyclobutadienes, it is the 4 pi electrons and 4n plus 2 pi electron is equal to 4. Thus n is equal to 1 pi 2 is equal to no integers, and it is the anti-aromatic compounds in the localization is a 2 double bond. It is just so unstable and dimerize by the self-Diels-Alder reactions at the lower temperature. So the cyclobutadienes, it is a dimerized reaction, and it is minus 70 degree Celsius. It is a Diels-Alder reaction. It is important reaction are and product are formation is dienopiles plus dienes convert to the Diels-Alder reactions. Next examples are cyclooctatetraenes. Cyclooctatetraenes, it is the 8 pi electrons, 4n plus 2 is equal to 8. Thus n is equal to 3 by 2, not a integers. It is the aromatic compound. It is the pi electrons are localized into the four double bonded. It is tube shape and not planar structure. So it is the four double bonded and reacting with Br2, KMNO4 and SCLs, and if we add the four alkynes, it is a non-aromatic compounds. Non-aromatic compounds are cyclic systems, bond are delocalization, but structure are non-planar structure. Okay, students. So it is a non-aromatic compound. It is cyclooctatetraene. It is a tub shape, not planar shape. So cyclooctatetraene is a tub shape. And this example are given below. Cyclooctatetraene 4 double bonds, 8 pi electron are delocalized. So p orbitals not parallel of overlap. So students, next are aromatic ions. Aromatic ions are the Huckel's 4n plus 2 pi electrons applied to ions as well as the natural species. So to be aromatic, a molecule must be planar, cyclic, conjugated systems with 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So examples are both of the cyclopentadienyl canions and the cycloheptatrienyl anions cations are aromatic compounds. So both examples, the cyclopentenyl anions as the cycloheptatrienyl cations and are aromatic compounds. So these examples are given below: the cyclopentadienyl anions and cyclopentadienyl cations. So 6 pi electron are delocalized. It is a aromatic ions. So students, the aromatics of the cyclopentadienyl cations, so not fully conjugated and not aromatic. So cyclopentadienyls are removal of H minus ions is the cation. Removal of H plus ions are cations. It is a cyclopentenyl dienyls cations for the pi electrons, and it is the additive hydrogens are the cyclopentenyls anions radicals species are the 5 few electrons are, and it is the removal of the hydrogens ions are the cyclopentadienyls anions. So it is a cations, free radicals and anion species is a cyclopentadienyls. So three compounds are represents, and unstables and non-aromatic and stables and aromatic compounds is the cyclopentadienyls anions and cyclopentadienyls radicals and cyclopentadienyls dienyl cations are unstable and non-aromatic compounds. And this is a aromatic compounds and non-aromatic compounds. So next are the aromaticity of the cycloheptatrienyl cation. Cycloheptatrienyl cation not fully conjugated and aromatic, not aromatics, and cycloheptatrienes are removal of cations, anions and free radical species are given below in slides. So cycloheptatrienyl cations 6 pi electron are delocalized into stable and aromatic compounds. It is a cyclopentadienyl cations. And it has cycloheptatrienyl cations and 6 electron pi delocalization. It is a single aromatic stable aromatic compound. And next are the cycloheptatrienyl trienyl radicals and several pi electrons are unstable and non-aromatic compounds. And next are the cycloheptatrienyl anions are 8 pi electron delocalized by anti-aromatic compounds, and it is unstable. So anti-aromatic and non-aromatic compounds is the cycloheptatrienyl anions. Okay, students. So it is examples of anti-aromatic, aromatic and non-aromatic of Huckel's rules ions. Thank you.